Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm in a little bit of a hurry, so I'm going to be filming this really quick get ready for day 2 for my 12 days of Christmas that I have going on my channel right now. I'm going to be doing one video every day for 12 days leading up to Christmas. I did this last year and I decided to do it again this year, so that is what I'm doing for you guys in today's video. This is just going to be a quick little get ready with me. I already went ahead and did my concealer and my brows because your girl ain't got time for that right now. I'm in a bit of a hurry. I have a work Christmas party to go to, so I'm just pretty much going to be getting ready for that right now, talking with you guys a little bit, let you guys know what products I'm using and such. So without further ado, because I gotta hurry my ass up, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna dig into the Beaute Grandiose Palette. One of the first shades in that palette. It's just like this light neutral shade. And honestly, you guys, I'm gonna do like a really simple, easy eye, and then I'm gonna do a bold lip. That's usually my go-to, especially when I'm late for something, but it's my go-to in general. So I am having a hard time coming up with video ideas lately. I'm trying to get super motivated again, just about life in general, and I could use your guys' help right now. So if anyone has any ideas or whatnot, or what you guys would actually like to see, please let me know. DM me on Instagram, let me know in the comments below. Whatever you guys want to do is cool with me. I'm going to dip into these two shades. They're both from Makeupgeek, I believe. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and dig into stuff and I'm just going to talk. I'm just going to talk to you guys. I feel like we all haven't talked in a while, and I don't know, I just kind of want to be chill in this video, you know? You guys, have any of you guys seen Into the Spider-Verse yet? Because holy shit, that might be the best Spider-Man movie I have ever seen, which I know is a lot to say. Any of you nerds out there right now, just geek out with me while I do my makeup. It was honestly so freaking good. It shocked me how good it was. Like, I knew it was gonna be good because the trailer just made it look awesome, and I knew I was gonna love the animation in it and whatnot, but oh my god, like, you wouldn't think adding in all those story arcs work, but it works, and it's freaking hilarious, and it's serious when it needs to be. There were so many times during the movie where I was like, oh! And I was just in like complete shock as to what was going on. It was just such a great, well-made movie. I honestly really enjoyed it. Like, this is the best Spider-Man movie that Sony especially has come out with, in my own personal opinion. I don't think there were any Disney writers involved with this, which I am shocked by considering how freaking good the story was. You could tell the people that wrote the movie actually genuinely gave a shit about Spider-Man, which I was so freaking happy about. It made me feel like a little kid again watching it, because I was that little girl that freaking loved Spider-Man growing up. Like, I had a sick obsession with Spider-Man growing up. He was, other than Batman, sorry, Spider-Man. Batman's still my favorite superhero. But other than Batman, Spider-Man was my favorite. He's my favorite Marvel hero, we'll say that. And I was obsessed as a kid. Watching this Spider-Man movie just made me feel like a little kid again. Gave me all the feels. If you guys haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend you guys go see it, because oh my god, it's so freaking good. I loved it so much. I'm definitely gonna go see it again in 3D because my friend and I up and we were like, oh, what if the 3D makes us sick? What if 3D is not very good with the movie? Even though based on the trailers, like, obviously this movie was made for 3D, but we were just being stupid. And as we were watching the movie, we were like, this would be cool in 3D. So I definitely need to go see it again in 3D. That is my plan. I'm gonna dip into the Grandiose palette and I'm gonna grab this shade Cinnamon, just a pinch of it. I love this palette so freaking much. I'm sure you guys saw in my previous video I was talking about this palette. If you guys watched my previous video, I was really hyping this palette up because I honestly truly love it. It's amazing, and the shadows blend so beautifully and the colors just scream Christmas time. So this is the one I have been reaching for the most, especially for like pretty simple looks like this, you know? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on a quick wing. I have such a hard time doing wigs on camera, so I'm just gonna pop one on really fast off camera. All right, for my bronzer, I'm going to use my tried and true, my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And yeah, I'm just going to bronze up. I'm not really going to sculpt out too much. Just want to bring some life back into my face. It's pretty much what I'm doing right now. Gonna go ahead and pop on some blush, bring my face back to life a little bit. I've really liked kind of bringing up my blush lately, like to my temple. I feel like it just all blends in so much nicer when you do that. And then obviously on the apples of my cheeks as well. But I don't know, I've kind of been liking that look lately. Like, even on days when I don't even feel like wearing bronzer, I'll still pop on just like a little bit of blush, and I'll do that. I'll go ahead and pop it up around my temples. And I don't know, I really like the way it makes my skin look. I think it's just so cute. All right, before I pop on the lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use some setting spray. I'm gonna be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. God, I love to just drench my face in this. God, my makeup is just not working with my skin today. I have no clue what is up with my skin. No idea. Just gotta make it work as best as I can, I guess. Alright, so now for a lip, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Unicorn Blood. Alright you guys, and that pretty much completes this super simple look I decided to do with you guys for this Get Ready With Me. I know it was kind of boring. I apologize. There's a lot I want to talk about. I really don't feel like it right now because it's just my business. I'm sorry. However, I hope you guys still enjoyed this little Get Ready With Me I decided to do here. Again, if you guys have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comments below and I'd be happy to look at them and definitely do some of them. Have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. And remember to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more of my 12 days of Christmas that I have going on my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.